You asked, how to divide 11,401 by 100 using the long division method. 1 is too small. 11 is too small. Use 114. 114 divided by 100 equals 1. 1 times 100 equals 100. 114 minus 100 equals 14. Bring down 0, making 140. 140 divided by 100 equals 1. 1 times 100 equals 100. 140 minus 100 equals 40. Bring down 1, making 401. 401 divided by 100 equals 4. 4 times 100 equals 400. 401 minus 400 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 114 remainder 1.